there is a flurry of activity in the Aam Aadmi Party after Delhi Chief Minister and AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal's Sunday surprise. He announced his plans to step down as Chief Minister on Tuesday, that is tomorrow, and said that he will only sit on the Chief Minister's chair after getting a certificate of Imandari from the people through their mandate. A dramatic political decision just 2 days after getting bail from the Supreme Court in Liquorgate. Many say this is aimed at changing the corrupt party narrative and will also give Arvind Kejriwal the opportunity to hit the ground with Manish Sisodia and focus strongly on the upcoming elections in Haryana first and then in Delhi. While announcing his decision to resign as Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal also called for early elections in Delhi, suggesting that they must take place alongside assembly elections in Maharashtra in November. Listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal said yesterday while announcing his decision to resign.
जेल से आया हूं, मैं अपनी अग्नि परीक्षा देने के लिए तैयार हूं। 2 दिन के बाद, आज से 2 दिन के बाद मैं सीएम की कुर्सी से इस्तीफा देने जा रहा हूं और मैं तब तक सीएम की कुर्सी पे नहीं बैठूंगा जब तक जनता अपना फैसला ना सुना दे। जब तक चुनाव नहीं होते तब तक मेरी जगह आम आदमी पार्टी से कोई और मुख्यमंत्री बनेगा। मनीष जी का भी कहना है कि ये दिल्ली के उप मुख्यमंत्री और शिक्षा मंत्री और मंत्री का पद तभी संभालेंगे जब दिल्ली की जनता कहेगी कि मनीष सिसोदिया ईमानदार है। आज मैं आपकी अदालत में आया हूं, जनता की अदालत में आया हूं। अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल ईमानदार है, मेरे पक्ष में वोट दे देना। अगर आपको लगता है केजरीवाल गुनाहगार है, मेरे को वोट मत देना। फरवरी में चुनाव है। आज इस मंच से मैं मांग करता हूं कि ये चुनाव नवंबर में कराए जाएं, महाराष्ट्र के साथ कराए जाएं।
Now, ever since the announcement for resignation, there is only one question on everybody's mind and also on the mind of Kejriwal's political friends and foes. Who is going to replace him as the Chief Minister of Delhi till the next elections are held? The BJP, quick in its criticism, hurled the Lalu Rabdi model and Sonia Manmohan model barbs to claim that Kejriwal wants to make his wife Sunita Kejriwal the Chief Minister or put in place a puppet CM with all the position but no accountability. Here's my colleague Meghna taking you through the probables.
First is going to be none other than Mrs. Kejriwal, Sunita Kejriwal. Now, Arvind Kejriwal, although he has said in the past that Sunita Kejriwal is not going to be taking on a larger party role, that she is happy to have an apolitical role and not get involved in politics. However, she did hold the fort when Arvind Kejriwal was behind the bars. She was the one who was conveying a lot of his messages, reading out his letters and holding campaigns as well. Then you, of course, have Atishi. She holds the maximum number of portfolios in the Delhi government. She's been a steadfast anchor at the time when Arvind Kejriwal has been behind bars, the maximum number of portfolios. She's also someone who was chosen to unfurl the tricolour by Arvind Kejriwal when he had written that letter to the LG asking her to unfurl the tricolour on Independence Day. Of course, she is educated, highly educated, as well as someone who's known to be close. Then you have Kailash Gehlot, a non-controversial man. He is the Delhi Home Minister. He could be a consensus candidate as well because he's someone who's educated and also non-controversial. He's been picked by the LG as Arvind Kejriwal's replacement to unfurl the flag on Independence Day. And Kailash Gehlot is one of the front runners as well. Of course, Manish Sisodia has been ruled out already by Arvind Kejriwal in what the press conference that he held yesterday, saying that anyone who has been tainted by graft is going to be ruled out.
Now, looking to capitalize further on the fallout of this announcement, Aam Aadmi Party is planning to organize a mega rally on the 22nd of this month. That is 1 week's time. Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and councillors have already been asked to garner support for this gathering. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj has also confirmed that after Arvind Kejriwal puts in his papers tomorrow, party is going to organize a legislative party meeting to elect their next leader. The leader who is going to be chosen will present his claim to the president through the LG, and the entire process of assuming office post formalities will take at least 1 week.
कल यानी कि मंगलवार को जो पहला वर्किंग डे आता है उसमें मुख्यमंत्री अपने इस्तीफे को दे देंगे और इस्तीफा जैसे ही मंजूर होगा उसके बाद विधायक दल की जो है बैठक होगी। विधायक दल अपना एक नेता चुनेंगे। जो नेता चुना जाएगा वो अपना स्टेक टू पावर, जो अपना क्लेम है, वो उपराज्यपाल के माध्यम से राष्ट्रपति को अपना क्लेम देंगे, क्योंकि कोई ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं है, हमारे 60 विधायक हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात है उनको बुलावा आएगा, और जब वो बुलावा आएगा तो फिर वो जो है अपनी शपथ लेंगे। तो इस तरीके का है, और मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा दिन नहीं, 1 हफ्ते के अंदर ये सारी की सारी प्रक्रिया हो जानी चाहिए।
Now, Arvind Kejriwal is known to be unpredictable, but if tomorrow he sticks to his decision, sources say he is going to first meet the Delhi LG, submit his papers and give him the name of his recommendation for successor as Chief Minister. As per procedure, since Delhi is a union territory, the same name will be sent to the President via Ministry of Home Affairs for approval, and once that clearance is given, the new Chief Minister will take office. Now, the sources are also telling us that Arvind Kejriwal will vacate his official civil lines residence, the Sheesh Mahal, after his successor takes charge. Listen into how both Congress and BJP are calling Kejriwal's resignation a PR stunt and gimmick for sympathy and votes.
देखिए, माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो बेल पे फैसला आया, उस पे उनको लगा कि मुझे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बरी कर दिया। एक ये जैसे भ्रामक प्रचार जिसको करने हैं, पटाखे छोड़ रहे हैं किस चीज के? जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा आप ऑफिस ही नहीं जा सकते, आप किसी फाइल पे दस्तखत ही नहीं कर सकते, तो किस चीज के पटाखे छोड़ रहे थे? वो उनका पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा है, वो हर चीज में पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा ढूंढ रहे हैं। इस केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि उनका अरेस्ट लीगल है। जब अरेस्ट लीगल है तो बाकी क्या रहेगा? मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब किस चीज के पटाखे छोड़ रहे हैं? वो जनता को क्यों बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं, मूर्ख बना रहे हैं?
It's a big nautanki, so I don't take it seriously. So they don't have a alternative even remotely capable. Secondly, this is not a transfer of power. It's a transfer of shares. This is a profit-making company, Aam Aadmi Party. It's not a political party. So they will ensure that whoever is the new person who's coming in is capable of keeping all these secrets covered. And second is, there are various areas in which we know very clearly in Delhi where the coffers of the Aam Aadmi Party are being filled, that they continue to happen and continue to happen in the control of Mr. Kejriwal and his family and an extended family.
हम नहीं बोलते हैं, उनकी जो स्टार प्रचारक की लिस्ट आती है उसमें सुनीता केजरीवाल का नाम सबसे ऊपर आता है। तो वो पार्टी अगर उनको नंबर 2 मान रही है तो बनाए सुनीता केजरीवाल को। ये जो समय मांगा गया है इसलिए तो मांगा गया है कि कैसे एक माहौल बनाया जाए। अभी तो इस पार्टी में बहुत सारे खेल होने, अगर इनकी नीयत होती चुनाव कराने की तो ये कल ही घोषणा करते कि हम दिल्ली की विधानसभा भंग कर रहे हैं और जल्द से जल्द चुनाव कराएं। दिल्ली इलेक्शन कमीशन घोषणा करे चुनाव की, हमें क्या दिक्कत है?
My colleague Tejashree now joins us. She's right outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Tejashree, now the big announcement has been made. Everybody has been caught by surprise. Now there is a very crucial PAC meeting that is going to take place in about an hour and a half from now. Tell us what is going to be on the agenda at this meeting, and also who all are a member of Aam Aadmi Party's PAC.
Well, yes, in fact, let me tell you that one meeting is already underway at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where Sisodia is still present at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And in fact, at 5 p.m., as you rightly pointed out, there is a PAC meeting that is all set to take place. In fact, all the members of the PAC will be arriving shortly at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. A forward strategy will be decided, number 1. Number 2, the allocation of portfolios, the redistribution of the portfolios, who will be the minister, because certainly once when Arvind Kejriwal resigns, then the next is that, who will be the new cabinet ministers. That will also have to be decided today itself, is what we are being told. So in today's meeting, that particular discussion will take place. Apart from that, what will be the roadmap next for Aam Aadmi Party, how they are going to reach to the cadre, to the organizations, and also to the people of national capital, because Arvind Kejriwal, on the day while he announced that he is going to tender his resignation, he already mentioned that he and Manish Sisodia, along with him, both of them are going to will be going to Janta Ki Adalat, will be surrendering themselves to Janta Ki Adalat, is what they call, and then they will be contacting people on.
Okay, Tejashree, if you say that they are also going to discuss changes in the cabinet, does that mean now we can almost be sure that it is going to be a present cabinet member who is going to be elevated as the chief minister?
Well, there is no clarity so as to present cabinet minister will be elevated as the chief minister or not, because several names are making rounds so as to who will be the next chief minister of the national capital. It can be Atishi, it can be Kailash Gehlot, it can be Sunita Kejriwal, it can be Gopal Rai, it can be Saurabh Bharadwaj for that matter, and it can also be a Dalit face because Rajkumar Anand, who resigned from the party, citing the reasons that the Dalits and the minorities were not given importance in the party. So yes, there are several names who are seen as the front runners, but Kejriwal being Kejriwal, there's also a possibility that there could be some unexpected name that could be announced in this particular week, or it could be the names, as you rightly mentioned, from the cabinet itself, or someone from the member of the Kejriwal family.
Right. Certainly, Arvind Kejriwal and his party are ensuring that they keep everybody guessing and he remains in the spotlight. Remember, Haryana elections are right on the anvil, so that could also have a bearing on their choice of roadmap.